If you run a local business or manage them for clients, you already know how much time and money goes into pouring new customers into the pipeline. Just like this drawing, new customers and marketing money is pouring into your business, which is this bucket. But if a single negative 1-star Google review sits unanswered for days, it could create a massive leak, just like this. It quietly tanks your local map ranking, kills your trust, and drains your actual revenue. But there is a bandage for it. Write that, and it fixes it. It's called Revaio. Right here on the landing page, you can see Rescue Monitor in action. Let's say a customer leaves a brutal review about waiting 45 minutes for cold pizza. The platform immediately flags it and gives a draft response, as well emails you the draft response and what the customer replied with. The next feature, this is for your daily reviews. So all you have to click is one button and it will generate a response for that review. Ultra personalized, as you can see here. I'll show you that in a second in real time. First sign into your account and then open reply and click generate a Revaio. It will generate a response within a couple of seconds. Okay, so now if you're a local business looking to use both of these tools and many more right here, including advanced analytics about your business, and it tells you what people are saying in these reviews. It's only for $69 a month, which is very cheap compared to other competitors. Click the link in the description below to lock in your 7-day free trial. No credit card required. And stop letting bad reviews cost you customers.